Connect a mini HDMI-equipped digital camera or tablet to your VGA display or projector. Supports a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080, 1080p. Mini HDMI to VGA adapter, Mini HDMI to VGA converter, Mini HDMI to VGA adapter. No power adapter required, ensuring a compact and portable solution. Simple plug-and-play installation for a quick and hassle-free setup. The HDMI Mini HDMI to VGA adapter converter actively converts an HDMI Mini source video signal from your digital camera or tablet PC, onto a VGA projector or display. The adapter supports full 1080p resolutions, making it a convenient choice for applications requiring high-definition capability. The Mini HDMI to VGA adapter is intended for displaying user-generated content such as presentations, documents, and worksheets onto a VGA projector or monitor. The HDMI Mini VGA adapter features a compact design, with no need for an external power source, which ensures a compact and portable solution that is easy to carry as an accessory. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for the price. I use it for a small Windows 8 tablet and have not had any issues with it. I've used it for both LCD monitors and projectors and it seems to work fine. Well worth the price.